All right, today's tech tip is regarding your Purge probe. Two parts that it may need to be replaced is because of its 5-year useful life. We do recommend that it's replaced every 5 years, and it might be broken. So this is a common place that we see that it breaks, and I often see technicians using the probe by this handle, which this is plastic, so it can break if there's a heavy load attached, when really you need to hold it by the probe itself. The connection here is pretty easy, so you can use one hand to push up and then the other to pull the hose down. Push up, pull the hose down, and then this is a quick connect as well, and this one is just a valve. So click to connect, pull off. So when you're replacing it, it ships connected already. And again, this is just a connection that you push up and it's easily attached, so it's secure. That's it for today. Call your rep if you have any questions.